নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু-বান্ধৱীসকল মই সৈয়দ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ তোমালোকক সৈয়দ জ্ঞান আসাম ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ বন্ধু-বান্ধৱীসকল আজি আমি কৰিম ক্লাছ 10 ৰ দ্য বল পয়েম নামৰ কবিতাটোৰ কবিগৰাকী হ'ল জন বেৰিমেন হ'ল আমেৰিকাৰ এজন কবি তেওঁ এজন বিখ্যাত কবি আৰু তেওঁ দ্য বল পয়েম নামৰ কবিতাটো লিখিছে আৰু আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিম দ্য বল পয়েম নামৰ কবিতাটোৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ কেইটা প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নটো ইয়াতে আছে Why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Answer to hobo. The poet says, I will not intrude on him because he wants the boy to learn the meaning of loss of his own. He does not offer him money to buy another ball because, according to him, money or another ball is worthless. The boy was trying to understand his first responsibility as he had lost something which could not be brought back. ইমানখিনি লিখিলে ইয়াৰ এনসাৰটো হৈ যাব দ্বিতীয় নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো হ'ল staring down / all his young days into the harbor where / his ball went. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of the days when he played with it? to হল প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰটো হ'ব yes, the boy has had the ball for a long time. When it bounced into the water, all his memories of the days of the childhood flashed in front of him. This led to a realization that those moments would not come back, just like the ball. He can buy new balls and can similarly create new moments, but those are gone, would not return. এটো ইয়ালৈকে হ'ব এনসাৰ মই এবাৰ হটাই দিছো তোমালোকে এটো স্ক্রিনশট লৈ লব পাৰা Question number 3 What does in the world of possession mean? Here answer hobo Here in the world of possession means the world where everything and every action is meant to possess something. The poet suggests that losing a ball, which is a very small thing, would make the boy understand what it is like losing something and one possesses. This would make the boy realize that this is a world of possessions and where one can possess more things by buying them. One cannot buy what has been lost. ইয়ালৈকে ইয়াৰ উত্তৰ মই মাৰ্কবোৰ গুচাই দিছোঁ পাৰিলে এটা স্ক্ৰীনশ্বট লৈ ল'বা নহ'লে বহি উঠাই লিখি লোৱা তাৰপিছতে যেটো কোৱেশ্চন আছে এটো হল কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 4 কোৱেশ্চনটো আছে Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. Answer to hall. No. It seems that the boy has not lost anything earlier. The words that suggest so are he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. ইয়ালৈকে হ'ব ইয়াৰ উত্তৰ অলকে লিখি লবা মাৰ্কবোৰ ৰিমুভ কৰি দিছো স্ক্রিনশট লৈ লোৱা নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনটো হল কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 5 বুকত কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 5 এটো হয় What does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? Try to explain this in your own words. উত্তৰটো হল answer The poet suggests that from the loss of the ball the boy is learning how to stand up in the world of possessions where he will lose things will buy some more to replace the ones lost but would never be able to buy back the thing that he had lost. He is sensing his first responsibility as he has lost the ball. The poet says that money is something external and what he really wants the boy to understand is the meaning of the loss. The poet says that knowing that every man has to stand up after such losses, the boy too will learn how to stand up and leave the losses behind as he would have understand the true meaning and nature of loss. ইয়ালৈকে লিখিলে এটো এনসার হৈ যাব মই মাৰ্কবোৰ গুছুৱাই দিছো তোমালোকে স্ক্রিনশট লৈ লোৱা এটা পাৰিলে নহলে এতিয়াই লিখি লোৱা বহিত আশা কৰিছো তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছা যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছা তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰি দিবা লগতে যদি মোৰ চেনেলত নতুনকৈ আহিছা তেনহলে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা